And welcome to Nutrition Therapy by Lucy. This is a channel where we talk about food, good nutrition, and health. Thank you for your support, for always watching my videos, leaving a comment, giving them a like. I am so grateful. But if you're here for the first time, please make sure you hit on that subscribe button, the red button. For the new subscribers, karibu sana, feel welcomed. Here we talk all matters nutrition and health to make sure that we have a healthy lifestyle. So today we're going to look at honey or no honey for both pre-diabetics and diabetics. We get to look at some facts of the honey and we compare it with the table sugar. So let's find out whether honey or no honey for the diabetics. So fact number one about honey, we're going to do a comparison between honey and table sugar. We get some facts about the honey and also we compare it with the normal table sugar. So number one fact about honey is it has free glucose which get absorbed directly into the bloodstream. And this is just like the normal table sugar. Free glucose, no digestion required. So this means it is going to get direct into the bloodstream and spike your sugars high. So it is important to note that just like the table sugar, honey has free glucose. And also honey, it has no fiber to act as a buffer in glucose metabolism. Remember, when it comes to glucose metabolism and diabetes, fiber is very important or essential because it will act as a buffer. It will prevent too much, fiber prevents too much release of the glucose into the bloodstream, thus controlling the blood sugar. So note that honey has no fiber. So anytime you take it, it is direct to the bloodstream, meaning that you're not in control of the blood sugar in your body. So it's good to know that it has no fiber to act as a buffer. And also honey, it has free fructose. Just like the table sugar, honey has free fructose which is readily absorbed and requires no digestion. So this means it is direct sugar or glucose into the bloodstream. And also just like the table sugar, honey contains sucrose. Remember, sucrose, fructose, all these are free sugars that get into the body and they can spike your sugars very high. And also it is important to note that honey, you can use honey in cases of hypoglycemic. Hypoglycemic is a condition in which your blood sugar levels are lower than normal. In case the sugars goes beyond normal, you can be able to give a person honey to make sure that you spike the blood sugar levels. Symptoms of hypoglycemia, things like unconsciousness, shaking, some people might faint. Those are a few examples of symptoms of hypoglycemia. So in cases of hypoglycemia, the honey is suitable. You can give, but if you want to use the honey for any other purpose, please note that just like the same way you are avoiding too much of the table sugar, the same way you should avoid too much honey in your daily diet. So those are the facts in comparison of honey and table sugar. So those are just few facts about the honey. You've talked about the facts about the honey, and also you have done a comparison between the honey and table sugar. I hope now you're in a better position to make a wiser decision if you are either pre-diabetic or diabetic. Remember, pre-diabetic, it is a stage before diabetes, and you need to control your sugars very well and make wiser decisions. So if you have learned something on this video, let me get to know your thoughts on the comment section. And as always, give this video a thumbs up, a like, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, an educative video like this one, you get to be notified. And also subscribe to this channel, Nutrition Therapy by Lucy, for more of the nutrition tips, nutrition counseling, and more of the nutrition counseling. My opinion, just like table sugar, honey is not a good option for both the pre-diabetics and diabetics. Bye-bye for now.